In this Affiliate Rebill Riches 5.0, you're going to get the secret to how you can build a monthly reoccurring affiliate marketing business without creating your own products and be able to get paid month after month. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show all the different OTOs and upgrades so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Affiliate Rebill Riches 5.0, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, would you like to know how to work less and earn more? The insider secret to easily earn passive affiliate income month after month on autopilot. So essentially what this is a very simple program on how you can actually earn affiliate commissions and earn them on a reoccurring basis. So instead of just promoting something and getting paid one time, you get paid over and over and over again. For example here, so every month you sell 50 products, 5% of, like, they give you like a thing here where it goes down through like how much money you would make here and how much money you would make monthly here. And if you go and you do this and you promote products and you do them ones that are monthly, what happens is it keeps on growing and growing on top of itself. So instead of just making that $14,000 here, you end up making a lot more money on top of it. Your monthly visitors, your recurring sales, your commissions per sale keeps going up and up and up. And that's how you can make a lot of money over and over and over again instead of having to find new offers to promote all the time. And that's what he teaches inside of here. Inside you get access to 250 plus affiliate programs. You get all the different niches here and how to go out there and actually promote these. You get affiliate marketing training included here. So you can learn if you've never done this before. He teaches you actually how to do that as well, how to get free traffic for a very low one-time price. So that's the product here, and there's no video on this one. Normally there's like a demo video or sales video, so we're going to pop right over to the members area. After you purchase, you can access it right here, access all of your training, access your products here, your bonuses, all in the members area here. Now they do have some multiple, like 3 OTOs here. So they have this first one here is a done for you affiliate pack. So it's going to give you a done for you affiliate pack in the massive make money online niche here. So it's going to have things all kind of done for you. So you don't have to worry about starting the right way or the wrong way. You'll have everything all completed for you with this one here. So he's got all these different things here, all these different components to it. He's got a high quality giveaway. He's got a 2-step opt-in squeeze page, professional redirect pages, monetized download pages, all the like email follow-ups, all set up with a custom-made software here. So you can get that here for a low one-time price. He also has a, looks like a done-for-you affiliate marketing website. So if you want to have a site all set up here, this is a done-for-you website that you can get, plus a bunch of extra training that you can get for this. And the last one here is it looks like they'll install it for you. So if you've never done this before and you want someone to set all this up for you, you can pick this one up here as well. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Affiliate Rebill Riches 5.0 and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I guess it's the fact that with affiliate marketing and with promoting recurring products, you don't assume that everyone's going to stay forever. So just because you might get 10 people in this month and 10 people in next month, it doesn't mean you're going to have 20 people that are paying you monthly. People do cancel. People do have their credit cards that will expire and things like that. So just understand that there's going to be some people that end up not buying. And the fact that recurring offers can be a little bit harder to sell to people. So just be aware of that. What do I like about this? I love recurring income. It's one of my favorite things, especially with affiliate marketing. I get paid recurring income all the time. Today I got paid I think it was like $64 for something that I promoted a year ago. And it was a yearly rebill that I got in. I had forgotten all about it. And someone just gave me 64 bucks. I'll take it. So it's nice to build a recurring business. If that's something that you'd like to do, and you don't have to create your own products, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Affiliate Rebill Riches 5.0, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.